Good morning, students. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay. So, very good morning to you. Today, I am going to start the class with assembly. Okay. So, we have to close our hand for starting our prayer now. Okay. Let's start our prayer. Join your hands. Okay. And close your eyes and sing the song. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We are not alone. We are not alone. We are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Okay? And straighten your hands. Now, students, now we will start our another song, okay, Bengali song, Aguner Poroshmoni. Okay, so join your hands again and start. Aguner Poroshmoni Choao Prani E Jibon Punno Koro E Jibon Punno Koro E Jibon Punno Koro E Jibon Punno Koro Dahonu Dani E Aguner Poroshmoni Choao Prani. Straighten your hand. Okay, now it's time to do our pledge. So this is your right hand. Keep your right hand near your chest and tell with me. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Okay? Okay. So next is the oath. Oath of the day is always say good morning after waking up. Okay, after waking up, say good morning to your parents, to your elders, to your teachers. Okay, and the next oath is, this is our hands. So many germs are in our hands now. So we should wash our hand before taking meal. We should wash our hand before taking meals. We should wash our face, wash our body when we take bath. Okay, and we should wear clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes. These are the oaths of the day. Okay, thank you. Next is student, we will start. It's time to start our national anthem. So before starting national anthem, we should stand straight. Okay, keep your both hands straight. Okay, now you start. जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल वंग विंध्य हिमाचल जमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे। भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। थैंक यू।